Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ajay Shinde. My roll number is 431. The title of my today's presentation is SWOT analysis of a WNS Global Services. Before starting with analysis, I would like to briefly introduce about the WNS Global Services. This company was founded in the 1996 by the British Airways and its headquarters is located in the Mumbai. The WNS is one of the leader company in related to the BPM and the BPO services. BPM means Business Process Management and the BPO means Business Process Outsourcing Services. This company provides the services related to the banking, insurance, healthcare, IT, logistics, pharmaceutical industries. Let's move towards the SWOT analysis. Let's talk about the strength of a WNS. The company have a very excellent client base that it provides the BPO services to more than 400 companies. It also provides the services to more than 31 airlines, hotels and various travel intermediaries. It also contains a strong market presence. WNS have a wide presence across the world including India, US, UK, Singapore, Costa Rica, Philippines, China and Turkey. According to the NASSCOM and SSON, WNS is one of the India-based leading company which is well recognized for its outsourcing services. WNS provides wide service offerings related to the retail, pharmaceutical, entertainment, healthcare, logistics, counseling, finance, shipping, insurance, healthcare services. It also provides market research, financial research and analytical services. So let's move towards weaknesses. Overdependence on UK operations is biggest weakness of a WNS. Although company generates a significant revenue from the UK region, but the overdependence on a particular region could increase the risk of the company. It also reliable on the limited number of customers that only 10% client of a company delivered near about 40% of the company's total revenue. Low product demand compared to the competitors is also a weakness of the company. Now coming towards the opportunities. India is a leader in the BPO industry and the India's BPO industry is expected to increase by the 14% in 2021. It also have a very strong recognition and a very great potential for the further growth. Increasing the importance of digitalization, company became a leading logistic company. AI sector is estimated to boost the industry by 7 to 12%. After a pandemic, people are aware about the healthcare services. They are started investing in insurance industries. Let's discuss the last point, that is threats. Competition is there in each and every industry, but the companies like Accenture, Infosys, TCS, Wipro giving a very tough fight to the WNS. The inability to adapt evolving technology may impact the company's competitive position. Due to the different laws in different countries, it is quite difficult for a smooth running of the company. That's all about the SWOT analysis. These internal and external factors will help the company for taking the further decisions and strategies. Thank you so much for listening.